Hey, this is Dr. Willie Jolley, and a special message of inspiration is coming your way today, brought to you by Walmart.
People say that we don't know what love is or how to make it grow. Oh, baby.
Hey, it's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley, author of the book, A Setback is a Set Up for a Comeback, and it is now comeback time. I recently shared with you that you must move forward with courageous faith, and you will see that those things that others mean for bad, that God means for your good. I love the story of the lady who was going up the corporate ladder and almost got to the top of the ladder, and she was fired because they said she was too old. She said she decided to trust God, and she started a competing company and was able to not only beat the company that fired her, but eventually bought the company that fired her. I know it's true. What others mean for bad, God can turn into your good, but you got to do your part. You got to keep the faith and act on it, and know that your setback is nothing but a setup for an incredible comeback. Today is your day to win. Make it happen. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Look, go to winwithwillie.com. Winwithwillie.com for resources to help you win more. Sign up for my newsletter. Get some of my resources to help you win, and then make the most of each and every minute. Remember, your best is still yet to come. I'm hoping that the words I shared with you today will help you live better. This message was brought to you by Walmart.